Function arguments and return statement. There are 4 types of arguments that we can provide in a function. Default arguments, keyword arguments, variable length arguments, required arguments, default arguments. We can provide a default value while creating a function. This way the function assumes a default value even if a value is not provided in the function call for that argument. Example: definite name, fname, mname is equal to John, lame is equal to Watson. Print, hello, fname, mname, lame. Name, Amy. Output: hello, Amy John Watson. Keyword arguments. We can provide arguments with key is equal to value. This way the interpreter recognizes the arguments by the parameter name. Hence, the order in which the arguments are passed does not matter. Example: definite name, fname, mname, lame. Print, hello, fname, mname, lame. Name, mname is equal to Peter, lame is equal to Wesker, fname is equal to Jade. Output: hello, Jade Peter Wesker. Required arguments. In case we don't pass the arguments with a key is equal to value syntax, then it is necessary to pass the arguments in the correct positional order and the number of arguments passed should match with actual function definition. Example 1. When number of arguments passed does not match to the actual function definition. Definite name, fname, mname, lame. Print, hello, fname, mname, lame. Name, Peter, Quill. Output: name, Peter, Quill \. Type error, name, missing one required positional argument, lame. Example 2. When number of arguments passed matches to the actual function definition. Definite name, fname, mname, lame. Print, hello, fname, mname, lame. Name, Peter, ego, Quill. Output: hello, Peter, ego, Quill. Variable arguments. Sometimes we may need to pass more arguments than those defined in the actual function. This can be done using variable arguments. There are 2 ways to achieve this. Arbitrary arguments. While creating a function, pass a asterisk before the parameter name while defining the function. The function accesses the arguments by processing them in the form of tuple. Example: definite name, asterisk name. Print, hello, name, 0, name, 1, name, 2. Name, James Buchanan Barnes. Output: hello, James Buchanan Barnes. Keyword arbitrary arguments. While creating a function, pass a asterisk before the parameter name while defining the function. The function accesses the arguments by processing them in the form of dictionary. Example: definite name, asterisk asterisk name. Print, hello, name, fname, name, mname, name, lame. Name, mname is equal to Buchanan, lame is equal to Barnes, fname is equal to James. Output: hello, James Buchanan Barnes. Return statement. The return statement is used to return the value of the expression back to the calling function. Example: definite name, fname, mname, lame. Return hello plus fname plus mname plus lame. Print name, James Buchanan Barnes. Output: hello, James Buchanan Barnes.